go.
I'm Steve, the Awning Lock guy, and together with me here today is Warwick. Warwick is got a big background all the way through caravanning, and I'll let him tell you himself about what he thinks of our product and his story.
I've been involved with Jayco caravans for over 40 years, involved with 2 Jayco owners clubs over that period, have also worked at a Jayco dealership for many years, and since retiring been involved in many social media sites where we've been organising getaways for caravan owners. Steve, this awning lock is a game changer for people who want to install an AFK on their awning. There's no drilling holes in the awning. The bracket locks the AFK to the barrel, so there's no turning on the pin. It allows for the awning to be adjusted lengthwise to tension it. It also allows for any awning shrinkage where the bracket can be adjusted in. It also has tie-down hook attached to it on the deluxe version. I've been using this system multiple times, particularly in windy situations, and it is so stable that I have not had to put the electric awning in at all in gusty, windy conditions.